everyone, Dave here from Australian Precision. We design and build wireless target camera systems that transmit over a long distance using wireless technology. Now, a lot of people have asked me about wireless compliance here in Australia, so I thought I'd just briefly touch on that subject matter. In Australia, the Australian Communications and Media Authority, also known as ACMA, governs the use of wireless frequencies and compliance with the regulatory framework for wireless devices. Now, we use components here at Australian Precision that have been purchased from Australian manufacturers or distributors, and those components all carry the RCM mark, Regulatory Compliance Mark, and therefore they're compliant in Australia. Also, they're compliant in New Zealand as well. They've got a reciprocal arrangement with ACMA where devices carrying the RCM mark are permitted for use over there. They're also permitted for use over in America, the United States, as they also meet the standards and specifications for wireless devices over there. In the EU and the UK, it's a little bit different, as a lot of those countries have a fair bit of difference from country to country in their regulatory framework and also power limits for operating wireless devices in various frequencies. Now, you'll probably notice that a lot of systems purchased overseas and or wireless devices purchased from overseas don't actually carry the RCM mark. That pretty much means that they're not allowed to be used here in Australia, as they haven't undergone any extensive compliance testing for the Australian market. So just be mindful of products purchased overseas, as they might not be compliant here. In addition, a number of these devices also use wireless boosters, which increase the transmission power and distance, which means it's operating well beyond the allowed transmission power limits here in Australia and most likely other countries as well. I'll have a separate video on that, discussing power and wireless power limits at another time, but for now I hope this video helps clear things up on wireless compliance here in Australia. For more information, please check out our other YouTube videos or visit us online at www.ozprecision.com.